Hello and welcome to this week's Market Share, a short weekly segment brought to you by MKR where we bring you all of the noteworthy news and updates surrounding digital media in the world today. My name is Danny, and I've got some pretty interesting updates for you this week. First up this week, brands like HP are making strides on TikTok due to their brand safety solution. Back in October, TikTok partnered with OpenSlate to create a third-party verified brand safety solution. TikTok understood from the start that brands need to feel comfortable to advertise on the platform, especially extremely large brands like HP. Along with brand safety, OpenSlate is also using its data to help guide content creation for the platform. By studying the content interaction on the platform, they've developed an understanding of what kind of content works and what kind of content doesn't. This is the driver behind the "don't make ads, make TikToks" mantra that TikTok is pitching to advertisers. Essentially, it's a great time to test out TikTok ads if you're willing to put in the little extra work to go beyond your normal ad campaign. Next up, Google is expanding its partnership with Shopify to help expand e-commerce. Basically, Google is simplifying the process for product listings, which makes it easier for marketers, and consequently, shoppers. Another advancement is allowing users to turn screenshots into shoppable products. That's a huge step in a mobile-first world. They've also unveiled their shopping graph technology, which uses AI to help populate real-time insights. If you're running an e-commerce campaign, do not miss out on all of Google's new flashy tools. Third for the week, Twitter has previewed ticketed spaces, Twitter Spaces being the audio-only Clubhouse competitor. According to Twitter, they will take a 20% cut of the ticket sales. This is an interesting move, and a bold one in my opinion. Spaces is still so new that expecting users to pay for that service when Twitter itself is still free for now seems like a bit of a stretch. But we'll just have to wait and see how it turns out. Next on the list, Pinterest now facilitates more than 5 billion searches per month. People are searching for outfits, vacations, home renovations, etc. Now, compared to Google, who receives 3.5 billion searches per day, that might not seem like much. But the difference is, Pinterest has a focus on product listings. Users are searching for ideas, and along with that, the products to make those ideas come to life. Pinterest has also seen the number of Gen Z searches increase by 31% year over year. So what's the scoop? Don't sleep on Pinterest. Last for the week, Instagram is finally testing new options to post via desktop. This would be a huge advantage for social media marketers. If you've been doing this a while, as I have, you may remember a time where you had to individually sign in and out of every single Instagram account to make a post, and sometimes the post would still go to the wrong account. Now, this new feature would be limited to just feed posts, so no stories or reels, but still, huge upgrade. And that's all for this week's Market Share. My name is Danny, and I hope you got to enjoy a nice long weekend. Later.